thought on it hard, and it hit like a song that nobody can make it out here alone. Alone, all alone. Nobody but nobody can make it out here alone. No, nobody but nobody can make it out. Got millionaires and mansions with money they can't spend. Their lovers scream in silence. Their children got no friends. They see therapists in towers, trying to break hearts made of chrome. But even they know nobody makes it on their chill. Storm clouds gather and time stands still. The race of man is breaking. Hear the streets they groan. 'Cause nobody can make it out here alone. We need each other more than we know. A hand to hold when the wind starts to blow. We build walls but we break inside. Only love can stem the tide. But nobody can make it out.